This is the geometry practice test, page 1. So for numbers 1 through 4, you're supposed to use this figure over here. Question number 1 says name the plane. And there are a couple ways you can name planes. You can use three of the points that are on it. So you could say plane CTA, or you could say plane CTG, or you could have said plane GAC. And then sometimes it'll have a cursive capital letter. You could just name it that. But this one doesn't. All right, number 2, name a segment on line F. So here's line F. It's going through the plane, and there's a segment on it. That would be segment AB, which you could also list as segment BA. Then you're supposed to name a ray. There's a couple rays on here. There's, for instance, ray AG right here. There's also ray AC going the other direction. There's even a ray going this way, so ray AB. Number 4, name the intersection of line F. So here's line F, we've already found that, and segment AG right there. So the only place they're intersecting is that point right there. That would be point A. All right. Numbers 5 through 7 are your fill in your blanks. 2 lines intersect at one point. So if you have 2 lines, they're intersecting right here at one point. Okay. Number 6, points are blank when they lie on the same line. That means collinear. Has the word line in it. Co means same. Okay. Number 7, the intersection of 2 planes is a line. And I'm not very good at drawing this, but I will attempt. So you have a plane going this way, and then you have a second plane going through it, coming out this way. Their intersection is going to be that line going right there through it. All right. Number 8. So you're going to classify these angles. So you had 4 choices. We had acute, right, obtuse, or straight. So angle LNM. So here's L, here's N, here's M. The middle letter is always the vertex, so LNM. That's going straight up through 90, so that's going to be your right angle because it equals exactly 90 degrees. Then you have angle KNM, so here's K, here's N, here's M. That's bigger than 90, so we're going to call that obtuse. Obtuse is when your angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. All right, letter C, KNJ. So here's K, here's N, here's J. This one's smaller, less than 90 degrees, so we call it acute. That's going to be less than 90 degrees. And then letter D says angle JNM. So here's J, here's N, here's M. That makes a straight line. So we call it a straight angle. That's when it's equal to exactly 180 degrees. All right. Number 9, what is the measure of angle PRS? So with your finger or with your pencil, you're going to tap PRS. So the whole thing. So we've got this angle that says it's 81 degrees and this angle which says it's 42 degrees. So you're going to use something called the angle addition postulate, which just says when you have one angle plus another angle, it's going to equal the whole thing. So you're going to take 81, add the 42. I got 123, and it's an angle measure, so you have to put the little degree symbol up there. All right. Number 10, if the measure of angle A is 23 degrees, what is the measure of the complement of A? So complementary angles should add up to 90 degrees, but in this case, you don't add, you're actually going to subtract from 90 degrees, and you should get 67 degrees.